Actually, you might want to record just with Willis is joining us, but you have to tell him.
I mean, we don't have to tell him.
Alright, in front of me, right in front of me. Right here, two guys. Oh god. I might die.
Oh, my game crashed.
Oh, you're dead. They're pushing hard. They're pretty good. Oh,
Yep.
the game crashed.
Alright, resin.
Okay, let me just reload my game first.
Hard? Oh my god!
Yeah, I just hit that guy for so much.
I know he's one.
I'm one.
Might die.
He's on me. I'm one.
Yeah,
West.
I mean, really? You really took that one?
Shot it for 100.
Over DMR. What the heck?
That
fighting
thing
around
sucks.
there. Oh no, it doesn't. His for Aaron, I hate the way you think against all these games.
I don't like DMR to boss.
You're like the Hemot sucks, the R99 sucks.
No, not
It's like it's the meta gun.
Yeah, selling my place. Trying to get it fixed up.
Where you gonna move?
To Russell.
That's a poor decision.
Thank God I'm getting out of here.
Are you leaving too, Christian?
To Scumbia.
That's the main reason I'm headed down there. My weed eater wouldn't work the other day and my cows were out and the clutches tore out of my tractor. And I was like, forget this farm living mess. I'm selling all my cows and moving to town. That's all it took.
And we are
Seriously. It was like flipping a switch. So once I get this place sold, you wanna buy it?
Nope. That's disgusting. How many diseases are on that land?
That kind of hurts my feelings.
Oh. How's all your annoying students doing?
Playing the game.
I don't care. I hate you.
Better line them up.
Oh, Willis hit him. Oh, I hit him out of the air. Where? Oh.
Run him over.
I'm kind of stuck right here. Hey, would somebody get this out?
I wonder it didn't hurry up. Oh my god. That's a blast.
Sorry, buddy. Oh, I fell right back down, dude. How's that? Oh, I just got molested. What? Hey, call my phone real quick, Dawson.
This is some stupid joke.
Now listen to this. It's only cost me $1.29. It's the best $1.29 I've ever spent in my life. You ready? Rocky top.
So muffled.
I knew what it was, but just because your team can't beat us doesn't mean you gotta root for other teams.
Yeah, that's what I gotta do.
I went camping, and I cooked that steak on a rock.
You did not.
I did, but you know, see how it's burnt, the rock?
It actually looks pretty good.
No, it tasted freaking good.
Oh no! Oh, there was somebody right here that shot me in the ear hole.
Get his
Please,
bones.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1.
Give me, I'm more important. No!
Oh my god.
He's throwing.
Hey, get my card.
He's throwing. Oh my god.
No, I don't have an SMG. And my rats.
Oh, no.
This is not good.
Oh my god. Now go get a card.
I did sucks.
Alright, there's 2 people. I'm going over here. Oh my god, they weren't even shooting at me and they hit me.
Behind us.
Oh my god, dude. I'm starting to think they have aimbot. No lie.
Oh god. Try hard, that's for sure.
Never mind. Oh no, do it. Don't do it. Oh,
I'll see you.
I'm dead.
I'll see you.
I'm dead.
Ah, that was so disappointing.
This someone's about to be hitting for a lot.
Good. That's how you miss them 80 times. Dude, do you really have time for this?
Nope.
Yes, Dawson, you can res us. You can res us.
Where?
Other side of the map. How do I mark?
Oh my god, I see it.
you got to. You got to. Build on your
There's
back.
a
Build on your
jump
back.
pad right next
Don't
to
do it
it.
in
You
circle.
gotta
You could.
See the launch pad right to your left?
Are you gonna make it? You're not gonna make it.
Yeah, he's
bro.
good. He's good. He's good.
Oh my god.
I'm not.
He's
y'all
good.
are.
He's good.
Launch pad
He's
right to your
good.
left.
He didn't have to do that in storm is the thing.
Spray. Oh no. This ain't good.
No!
Can we beat this guy up with a pickaxe?
All I got is a pistol. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Kill him.
He's right in front of me.
Kill
Right in
him.
front of me.
Kill him.
Dumb. Pistol him. Pistol him.
Oh my god,
Pistol him. Oh my god.
You didn't know you had a pistol?
You're so dumb. Alright,
I
how
didn't know I spawned with a pistol.
Your awareness is amazing.
I didn't look at my hotbar. Dude,
Clearly.
I haven't played Fortnite. I don't think I've ever been revived in Fortnite.
You shame yourself.
You didn't tell me. I said let's pickaxe and you didn't say nothing.
Nah, I should just play the game. F y'all.
I ain't addicted to Fortnite like you are.
I'm not.
Shut up, yes you are.
Really.
They used to go to
Well
me.
done, stop.
Yeah, no, Rocky time.
Wow, nice one. Real smooth.
I lied.
It's, what you got against that rock?
Dude. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm out of gas here, dude. Is there any way I can push this?
Now you can still get a gas can.
I'm so freaking mad.
There's also a person back there.
There's a guy right there.
44? Oh, it's a chicken. I'll let that chicken up though, I'll tell you what. Right in the head.
I need that chicken.
They have hot dogs. Over a campfire. I had steak.
Why didn't they get steak?
Because they didn't buy steak. Well, they didn't have any way to cook it, so they thought. I cooked mine on a rock. Over a fire. It took forever though, because
We got it. We got it. Rock on the fire. We got it.
I had to preheat the rock.
I put it on 300. That is a pretty cool way to cook steak. I bet everything like that tastes more delicious.
More
I don't
delicious.
know what it is. I ate some eggs one time in like a.
What is that?
Not for real though. I ate some eggs one time, cooked on a campfire, and they were so good.
What the? I got no builds.
Are you kidding me?
Get out of here.
Clutch.
Oh, good. He's still waiting over here. He's so brave. Quit moving. They'll see your footsteps.
Hey, Darren, you have a pistol.
Maybe.
Yep. Just give me a second. You see that?
Legendary tree, bro.
Hit the launch pad by accident.